Hey guys, Caden from Non-Toxic Fan 62 here, and got a Mario Kart Connect playset to review, and it's called the Toad Side Stepper Building Challenge. What we get in this pack is Toad, and there's his kart, and it has an on-off switch, and you can tell it's battery powered, and there's Toad's logo, and we do that. It races. This is something I like about these Mario Kart Connect sets. And we get the Toad figure. And I think I may have lost his legs, and I may have lost the other part, which is right there, which is the exhaust pipes, which is meant to go there. And here are sticker details. And here we get a star, which you get in the MarioKart Wii game, which we used to have. And we've got the red shell, which can attack other players. And what we get in the set is this crab thing, and you can move it. Which is really cool. Well, let's give this a run. With the shell. Do you see that? Let's try to. Whoops! I just had to grab him from near the cat flap. This was a funny review. Let's do it with the star this time. Three, two, one. Let's do it when the. There we go. Didn't have to grab it from the other side of the room this time. I'm gonna take the crab off so I can take a look at what I think of him. Here is the crab what you get in this set. It is like on the Peach Beach track in the Wii. If it was on any other games, please let me know in the comment section below. And there's a tree in this set, but I think I may have put it with the other beach set by mistake. Can't remember. Maybe I might find it when I review that set. And as you can see, he's terrified. And I got the set in November 2014. Now let's put the crab back on. And what do you guys think of this playset? Let's give this one more run. I would certainly recommend buying the set if you're a Mario Kart Connect fan. And pick it up at your local shop or get it online. I give this set a 10 out of 10 because it's so good. And I like those sea details in the blue track and the greenery and sand detail on the yellow. And these are stickers you have to apply to make it look like the track in the game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Bye!